Hey everyone, it's Alexis with So Sweet Monogramming and So Sweet Academy. I wanted to do a really quick tutorial on something fun that I ran across. Glow in the dark thread. You can't really see it now because it's so light in here, but I figured I would do a really quick fun stitch out, and then we'll test the glowness of it in the dark. All right. I am using Madeira glow in the dark thread. I'll link everything below so that you too can get the same thread or find a comparable thread from another vendor or whatever. But I just figured it'd be fun to have some stitch outs with glow in the dark. So let's go ahead and get everything hooped. First, I want to show you how to download the file. I'll tell you where I got the file from. I found a super cute file on Apex Digitizing. So I'll start with showing you how to download it from there. So this is the site that I used, apexembroiderydesigns.com. I already went through picking of the design because I had to go through and pay for it and all that stuff first. So I'll just show you from after you've selected it, how you download it real quick. So you can view your file here. Click on that. I'm going to use this one, Ghost Trick or Treat Embroidery Design. So I'm just going to click on the ghost, and it automatically goes because I've already set up an account with Apex, and they know that all of my files are PES unless I get like a BX font or something like that. Once it downloads to my computer, I don't know if you saw it, but it clicked down here at the bottom left hand. I'm going to double click on it, open it up. Then it comes in a folder. Now I want the folder to be opened and set up so that I can have it under my USB drive. I usually keep mine in order of some little type of order I have over here. So I'm going to double click on it, and I can just highlight both of them. Those are the two sizes that they offer. Scroll down. I'm going to put it in my Halloween folder. So I'm going to just drag it and drop it. And it's there. Sometimes it'll give you a different message that says downloading, depending on how many, like fonts. A lot of times give you, it'll say it'll take 2 minutes or 1 minute, however long, but this one is just a quick drag or drop. I didn't have to do any extracting, didn't have to do anything special. And then let's look and see if it's there. I'm just going to double click on my Halloween, and I have a ton of Halloween stuff. And look, there it is, right there, those two. So once I do that, I'll just upload it to my machine or to my on-screen editing program software and go from there. All right, now let's go ahead and pull up our design. Hit the USB button. I have my USB loaded on the side over there. And search over until we find our friendly ghost. We'll hit set, and it comes up on the screen. I'm gonna use a 4x4 hoop, mainly because it's not a huge design. And all we have to do from now is just plan out our colors. I think I only have just 3 colors. I'm not gonna move it. I'm not gonna shift it, rotate it. So we go straight to end embroidery. I still like to check my sides. I always just do it just in case. You never know. I mean, you know, because of the size and the dimensions, but I just make it a habit. All right, embroidery. And it is says it's a 30-minute stitch out. I'm assuming it's because of the ghost. That's a full fill white. That's what we'll be using the glow in the dark for. So let's go ahead and get started. Put your presser foot down. Green means go. All right, so we are done with the eyes. We got to switch out to a glow in the dark. I'm going to show it to you up close. I've taken the film off of it. It just looks like a regular white. Up close, it has like a little frothy look to it, but it's not really activated until you turn off the lights. So let's go ahead and thread. All threaded, press a foot down, green means go. All right, so we're done with the glow in the dark. We will switch out to a brown. That's for the bag that he's holding. Our little friendly ghost. Switching out is super fast as long as you have all of your colors planned out. I like to just kind of have them lined up here at the front. Let me get that over. Ready to stitch. Green means go. Sometimes I'll snip my little threads as I go, just to make it cleaner. I've switched to black to the outline. It's the last color. It's going to just outline the whole thing. Switch the thread out. Green means go. Press a foot down. And all done with the stitch out. Okay, so we will unhoop him and head over and see how it looks as a glow in the dark. All right, so we've relocated to my bathroom. We're going to try out the glow in the dark aspect of it. I took it off the hoop, and I'm not showing you yet. I took it off of the hoop and I made it into something special. So let's close the door, turn off the light. Do y'all see it? Oh my gosh, look at it. It glows. Ooh. How cute is that? This is made with the Madeira glow in the dark thread. Like I said, I will link it below, but super cute. But let me show you what I made it into. Let's turn the lights back on. It's a patch. So as I was doing it, I realized, it's so echoey in here. As I was doing it, I realized it was super cute, had great like borders and parameters. So I just went ahead and cut it out, added some adhesive to the back, and made it into a patch. Just peel it off. Super easy. Now I do actually have a tutorial or two on making patches. I have one coming up. I'll link it below if you want to sign up for that. It shows you how to do step-by-step patches similar to this. My most recent one is my breast cancer awareness one, the one with the lady with the glasses. Beautiful patch, beautiful, beautiful patch. But look, I peeled all the paper off. But yeah, you can patch it on anything. Patch it on your jacket. If you're doing small enough and you have like a hat pin, you can patch it on top of your hat, your pants, anything you want to patch it on. Patch it on anything you want to put it on. You can stitch it on. That's what I love about patches. So this wound up being a double doozy. You got to see how the Madeira glow in the dark thread comes out. And then also we realized we could make it into a patch. So booyah. I'll link everything below. Make sure you get yours in time for Halloween, or I mean, it doesn't even have to be Halloween. You can just do a cute glow in the dark anything for the kids or for yourself. And that way you can be seen in the night scene. You can be seen on the night scene. All right, so I'm gonna go. This is super cute. Make sure you sign up for the patch ship and stitch tutorial. That's where I send you all of the supplies that you need to actually stitch out a design. I walk you step by step through the whole process. And if you get lost somewhere in between there, we stop and we help you through that. But nonetheless, super cute patch, super cute glow in the dark, super cute ghost from Apex Embroidery Designs. All right, talk to y'all later. Remember, it does not have to be perfect, but it has to be pretty. And I think this is the very first that we've done a tutorial or anything in my bathroom. This is actually my daughter's bathroom, but see y'all later. Bye.